Here I've got CROSSCALL Action-X3, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then scroll down, find and pick the settings. Now it's time to locate and open display. Here it is, and you will notice Sleep tab here. Simply open it, it's for timeout, and now you can select the particular time that you would like to have your screen sleep after. So it can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5, 10 minutes or even 30 minutes. Let me pick 5 minutes, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed, so after 5 minutes on inactivity, your screen will be out, it will be sleep. So that would be actually all. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.